Hello everyone, my name is Mary and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unban WhatsApp number, or when your account is being banned by WhatsApp. I'll show you the steps to follow and what to do in order to recover back your WhatsApp account that has been banned. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get right into this video. So when you receive a message like this from WhatsApp stating that your account has been banned, do not panic. This is the first thing you should do. You go to your Chrome browser or whatever browser that you have. This is my Chrome browser. Whatever browser that you want to use, but I'm going to be using Chrome for this tutorial. So what you do, you come to your search bar and you search for support WhatsApp. That's what you should search for, support WhatsApp, and you click on it. As you can see, you see here they say contact WhatsApp and the rest. So what you want to do, you come here, you click on this contact WhatsApp. When you click on contact WhatsApp, after you've searched for it, you come here, you click on this icon here, this contact us. As you can see, I just cycled it, and you click on contact us. When you click on contact us, this is the message that is going to give you. So it's going to be asking for some of your details, like your phone number. If you're in Nigeria, you can use plus, whatever country you are, you can see there are different numbers here. Then I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to use this +234. Then you put your number. Let's say your number is this. I'm just going to be using a random number. So let's say I use this number. You input your email address. Let's say I want to use my email address, and you confirm your email address here. This is it. So now there's a question here. How do you use WhatsApp? If you are using an Android phone, an iPhone, whatever phone you are using, you are going to state it here. If it's an iPhone, you select it. If it's an Android phone, you select it. So now it's going to ask you to input. Please enter your message below, like the message that you want to send to them. What was the reason why your account was banned? You are going to type it. If you don't know the reason, you can say you don't know the reason, or you can say, please, my account was banned and I don't know the reason why, or whatever message you want to type, or the reason why your account has been banned. You can watch my previous video where I explained some of the reasons why your WhatsApp account will be banned. So this is the message I just typed. This is a random message. So when you are done, you come here, you click on this next step. Click on this next step here. You can see it. When you click on next step, you are going to receive a message from WhatsApp. So basically, this is just a step to follow. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.